Hello everyone. Today I'm going to speak something about access specifiers in Python. Object-oriented programming such as C++, Java, and Python control the access to class resource by public and private and protected. Access specifiers and properties. Access specifiers or modifiers are used to limit the access to the variables or functions or methods of a class. Access specifiers in Python plays a very important role in securing data from unauthorized access. Types of access specifiers. The class in Python has three types of access specifiers: public, private, protected. Public, when we declare the variable as public, means in which we can access the variable anywhere in the program. Private means in which the variable is accessed within the class itself, within the class and within the same package. Protected means when we declare the variable as protected, mm, it is accessed within the same package and outside the class also. Note in Python, there is no access specifier called as default, whereas this feature is available in Java. In Java, there are four access specifiers: public, private, protected, default. The properties of the access specifiers: we can access public, protected, and private within the class either by using variable name or using class name. Outside the class, we can access public and protected using variable name as well as using class name. But we cannot access private variable outside the class using reference variable or class name. It can be accessed using the following syntax: reference variable dot underscore class name double underscore private variable name. Let us see some example to show how to use the access specifiers by writing the code. Here I am using the Sublime text editor for writing the code in Python. Let us define the class named with ABC and declare the variable x is 10 and underscore y is 20. X is 10 means it is the public variable. Underscore y is it is the protected variable. Double underscore z is 30. It is the private variable which is accessed within the class itself. And let us define the one method which will display the data. Print self dot self dot x. Print self underscore y which is the protected variable. Print self dot double underscore z which is the private variable. Using the variable, using the this is the instance method. Using variable, using self keyword also we can access the variables inside the class, and also using class name also we can access the class name. Also we can access the variables inside the class. And this is the main method. double underscore name equals to double underscore name. This is the main method. Whether we declare main method, also it will work fine. Using the class name, we have to create the object and assign the reference variable ref dot display. When we run the code, this is the output. 10, 20, 30. This is the using the self keyword we can access the variable, and another this is the using class name also we can access the variables. Inside the main function we can use class name to access the variables. But we cannot access the using this reference keyword, but we cannot access the private members. I will demonstrate this. We can access the protected and public variable, but we cannot access the private variable. When we run the code, this is the output using class name and using the reference variable. But when we try to access the private variable, it's showing attribute error. Let us show this. Private members are accessible only within the class itself. Here I am trying to access outside the class. It's showing the attribute error. Let us this. This is the attribute error. It is an exception raised in. It's a kind of exception in Python. So I will comment this line, these two lines. Let us define the class named ABC, and this is the def double underscore. This is the constructor which takes the parameter name, age, address. Using self variable, we can access this. Self dot name is name, self dot age is age, self dot address is address. This. And another class which inherits the properties and behaviors of class employee is the child class. Here in this class employee, this is the inherited class. Here this is the constructor, and self using self comma name comma age comma address comma salary, using super which acquires all the properties and behaviors of the parent class. Self dot double underscore. Here the salary is a private variable, but we are using inheritance. Then that variable cannot be accessed using class name. In order to call a parent class constructor within the child class, we will use super method here. This is the Using string literal, it will display the name. Here in the main function, we have to create the object of the employee by assigning the reference variable. Name is Akshay, and when we display the data, this is the output product. Name Akshay, age 18, address Mysore, salary 30,000. Now I'm going to show you how to access the private variable when you are using inheritance concept. Print function, within that we have a reference variable name ref dot underscore employee double underscore variable private variable name. So by using this we can access the private variable. See, this is the output. Thank you guys.